Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's good. This is my 29. 30. Whew. Thank you, thank you. I hope you're enjoying, bro.
Yes, I'm enjoying.
This is our dream place. We were planning from before 2 months ago. We have already planned, but we could not visit. Hello everyone. So today I'm going out with one of my YouTuber friend. His name is Menuotuolie. So I'll give in the description the link. Please support his channel also. So we are going for a ride to one of the places where like everyone can visit. So hopefully you'll enjoy this video. He's working out with his bike, mobile holder, cell phone holder. So we are trying to visit some of beautiful places in Tizama, especially the children's park and one of kind of a lake. And so continue to watch. I hope you will enjoy this video. So he's riding bike and I'm driving. So we are on our way to Tizama. So this is the way to the park. This is the children's park, children's play cum fitness park. So we have reached the spot. I'll show you the video how it looks. It's a beautiful place for the kids to play around, to enjoy. So recommending all the families to bring all your children here. Right now they don't have this registration fees and all. It's free, of course. So he's trying to be a kid. What to do? the only son in the family. Oh. So the demonstration of gym. So this is the gym part where people can work out. So especially for the parents, they can bring their children here and then they can also work out. And you can also let your children play around. This is 15 kg, so I'm working out. Total 30. 29. 30. Whew. Thank you, thank you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's good. Just number 15. Oh. So from tomorrow you'll see the difference of my body. So with my friend, both of us are demonstrating some of the gym workout. I hope you'll enjoy. Yeah. He's working out for football, to play football. Tonight match, yeah. So check out the views from this children's park. It's really beautiful. So beautiful. We are done with our gym workout and as well as making the videos of the children's park. We are going to another location. Continue to watch. See you there. So we are going to another location. Continue to watch. This is Tizama ground. Here is also one of the children's park. So we are going this road, part of the village. So we are trying to find one of the location. We are lost at the moment. So we are venturing one of a place in Tizama, and it's called Maze Zoo. Just wait and watch. So we have reached one of the place, and so I'll show you one of the beautiful place. Just wait and watch. The gate is locked, yet we have taken permission, one of the authority of this place, and so we are walking down. So finally we are here. Just wow, it's beautiful, really beautiful. Just see the view and the place. So we can come here for a picnic, but we have to ask permission. सुंदर है, सुंदर है. So if you want to come here, this is the details. Welcome to Maze Zoo. Enjoy the serenity of nature. No alcohol allowed. And park hours, summer, winter, clean up after use. So this is the details. Finally, we are here. This is our dream place. We were planning from before 2 months ago. We have already planned, but we could not visit. So today we are able to visit. It's wonderful. It's really beautiful. I hope you all like it. लेड़ा ज़रा. So as a nature lover, I just love this dry leaves as well as the green grasses. So we are done with visiting this place. So we are moving out slowly. We're done, and so we're going to move, and that's the reason he has to use his gears to ride. I hope you're enjoying, bro.
Yes, I'm enjoying.
So we are on our way. Hello everyone. So after our ride to few places, we are here now for futsal. Oh really? So yes, my friend Kiri.
Hello.
Yeah. Good to see you.
Same here.
So these are my friends. Hey bro, yo bro. Once again. Once again. Salut. Salut. Whoa. Ronaldo of Coninya Baptist Church. Minyo. Oh hey. Whoa. Salut. Marjde da ne? Oh? Petu lazo da. Ah salut petu lazo da. Levi. Hey. Salut. Gina tanya.
Nah, moram lagi.
Gina dong.
Hey, piknik jatan. Go.
Whoa. So my friend, he's doing warm up. Extra effort. 해니께 타서 해니께 없네. Oof. Finally, we're done. The game is over. So it's time up now. We had a good time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Continue to support. Thank you so much.